Assalamualaikum. I am a teacher of Darul Arqam School, Ahmedpur campus, and in charge of class 1. So here today we are discuss about summer vacation task grade 1 and subject is English. Upper and lower case. Color code is given on each candy having the upper case. Find the lower case of each letter written on the candy and thereafter color the corresponding pairs in the same color. One example has been done for you. Students will be colored in this picture according to statement. Same as it I color here. Let's write A, B, C. Write A to Z alphabet in this page. The pair aimed of sounds. A pair aimed of pictures is given below. Identify the ending sound of each picture. Cut out the ending letters from page 46 and paste them on their relevant pictures to convert their pair aim into. Students will be cut the page on 46 and paste here according to given instruction. My words ruler. Make the words ruler from the template given on the page 47. Make as many words as you can by using your words ruler. Students will be able to cut the page of 47 and paste here. Challenge yourself. How many words were you able to make? Write them below. Ask your friends, siblings, elder to perform the same activity and ask them how many words were they able to make. For example, cat, bag, bat, dog, sun. I or my. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Same as it I write here. Word cross no. Phonics poetry. Write OW on the lines and read the interesting poetry. Color the crow black. What OW words does the crow know? Write them in the thought bubble below. Same as it I write here. The Potato Club. Phonics poetry. Write OI on the lines and read the interesting poetry. Same as it I write here. And color your favorite food. Same as it I color here. Antonyms lace up. Cut the shoe template from page 48. Lace up the words to their antonyms. Use the words of you want to fill in the blanks. Same as it I feel here. And paste the shoe antonyms. Cut the page of 48 and paste the page of 9. Same as it I paste here. Shoe 1 and shoe 2. Present continuous. What are these people doing? Complete the sentence and write the numbers by looking at the pictures. Also match the pictures, write the sentences. Use the tense of present continuous, same as it I use here. And then matching the picture, same as it I matching here. Crack the code. Use the letter codes to write the words given below. One has been done for you. First of all, see these codes and also fill in the empty box same as it correct spelling same as it I do here. Word sentences children are playing. Farmer animals leaves. Students will more sentence same as it I make here. Read answer. It is a rainy day. We need to go home. We should wear a jacket and use an umbrella. We can't stay outside because it is wet. How is weather? What should we wear? Can we stay outside in a rainy weather? First of all, read this passage carefully and then write these answers same as it I write here. It is a snowy day. We can go outside. We should wear warm clothes with a warm woolen cap and gloves. We can enjoy a snowball fight. First of all, read this passage and make a more answer as you able. Open the log. Logs have some words written on them. Find the correct key, match them to their relevant logs, color the log and key with the same color. First of all, find the correct questions and answer then the same colors in each log and key. Same as it I color here. Select some words from the logs, write their parts of speech, noun, verb and adjective and draw their pictures. You should found be adjective, verb, and noun and draw a picture according to statement. I draw here. Tom the white cat. Take pictures from page 49 to complete the sentence and also cut the relevant punctuation mark and paste them at the end of each sentence. Color the picture to make your page look beautiful. Cut the page of 49 and paste here according to instruction same as it I paste here. Same as it this page in the previous page. Do you take care of your pet too? Now rewrite the same in the form of paragraph and replace all the pictures with words. And you should write here same as it I write here. Same as it this is paragraph on previous page. The green parrot. Using the sentences of the passage Tom the white cat, write down a paragraph on a parrot. You can use the hints also given a name to your parrot. Use these hints and complete the story and write a picture of parrot in a next page and color it. Read and answer. This is my toy Legos. It has many different colors. I can make many things from it. I play with it in my play area of the room. I can carry it anywhere in my bag. Answer the following question. First of all, read this passage and answer these following questions same as I write here. Build your vocabulary. See these pictures and doing a vocabulary title of a story idea in village same as it I write here. These passages same as it the previous page do doing here. Making my own storybook. You should cut the page of page number 50 and paste here and make a story.